Oh, good morning everyone. Oh, what a beautiful day. And I tell you what, it rained and rained. It's Monday. This won't go out on a Monday, but you know how it is. But boy, Saturday and Sunday, what date was that? Oh, here comes Rosie. She hears me talking. Oh, don't go in the pond. Oh, I would have dug more pond, but it just rained. And in fact, I'll insert a picture here. The cloud was amazing. We had lightning, thunder. It was just, the sky was staggering. It just looked so, the contrast was amazing. You'll see because you're looking at it right now. Wow. I mean, I'm glad I managed to take a picture because it looked so spectacular. Which meant I wasn't able to get down here at all. But I did a lot of cooking instead for the budget cooking channel. So not a lot's changed. I will be tackling this corner though, because that really is impeding on my third bed. So I really want to start clearing that. So I've got a bag, I've got my gloves, I've got a coffee. I'll probably be doing some more digging of the pond soon because I've ordered the pond liner, aka damp proof membrane, which is what I use for the other pond. Blooming fantastic stuff. And it was I think it was £9.99 when I bought it last time. But it's now £13 something or other, but still significantly cheaper than pond liner for real, you know, like as advertised. And it does the job, which is brilliant. And any excess, because it comes in a standard size, 3 meters by 4 meters. So I'll save any of the plastic so I can warm beds up in the spring, you know, save the plastic for heating the soil up before planting or whatever. There should be a fair amount of excess. Yeah. Well, I hope you've all been doing well. Yeah, let me know. how you doing? Jax, are you fully recovered yet? I hope so. You said you posted something, but it hasn't arrived. I'm really sorry. I don't know what's happened there. Maybe just slow post. Maybe today. I don't know. Rosie's having a munch. Hope she doesn't step on my seedlings. Ugh. Right. Let's crack on. Get this cleared. I mean, we definitely want to clear those. You see the white flowers? That's a nasty weed. I think it's bindweed. We've certainly got to clear that before the flowers turn to seed. Yeah, so cracking on I shall. Right, come on, put you down. Is a good girl. Come on. Rosie, what are you looking at? Right, well, potatoes. What an unexpected harvest. Come on, out. Yeah, huge pile. Quite a big improvement, I think. I've still got a whole bank of nettles to do, but I've run out of puff. But yeah, I'll probably have to do on the other side with regards to the pulling out of the bindweed, because I think they're on the other side as well, and more clearing underneath. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, it's all in the sun. It's early as well, so I think it's just about 9 AM. But that's pretty good. Unexpected harvest. Ooh. Didn't expect that at all. Oh, there's another plant there. I might dig that up as well. Oh, I've got to go. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. And well done to Barbara Coxhead and Jackie Burton for winning the Prince. You were the first and second commentators and you didn't even realise. That's so good. So yeah, I'll be posting those out to you ASAP. Right, I'm off. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Rosie, come. Come. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. What is it, Rosie? You found a ball? Is that what it is? There's more potatoes, maybe. Let's have a look. I hope so. We're going to have them for dinner tonight. I can feel a lot of plastic. Oh. And the plastic stopped them from growing. No, nothing there. Worth a look. Ooh. Oh boy.